Yeah, like this right here, this little point.
Yeah.
Back in there looks a little juicy.
I know. You tell me they're not. Ooh.
Well, I think I just got hit too. You go. Oh! I saw the shine.
Think about all the hits we've got if we would caught them all. We'd have 10 fish.
They must just be like swiping at it or something.
You just Texas rig set up in these.
I know. Fish on. First fish.
Monsters out here.
Oh, fish on. Fish on.
Second one of the day. This one's about 6 pounds.
Get the release.
I got fish.
No, you don't.
Swear to God.
Don't know what the hell.
Look, Cuddy.
No way. No way. He actually did have a fish.
This chunk.
Oh, there's another
Oh
one.
my God. He did have a fish.
Over top of the log.
I told you I put a pulling on it.
Third fish. Letting her go. Hooked up on the buzzbait.
He's water skiing.
Get in the boat.
What a hog.
Get in the boat.
What a hog.
Let's go. Biggest fish of the day. So when you're fishing, always gotta have your Pop-Tart. We didn't do very good at North Bend, so we thought we'd hit up this pond early in the morning and see what we can do. It's about like 7:30, probably 60 degrees out, so we're gonna try to get on some fish. I'm gonna be starting out with a Texas rig Senko, going with black and blue because the water's a little murky. So I'm just gonna flip under this dock right here. There's one. Right there's one on the black and blue Texas rig. Right off that buck brush right there. Little guy. There's one. On the old Texas rig. Not a bad little guy. Come on, take it. Oh, he's got it. There we go. On the black and blue Senko. Dude, it's got something weird on it, on the top of it. That's not a bad fish right there. Hook came right out, look. I don't know what that is. Looks like battle scars or something, look. Think like a turtle got to it or something, look.
Yeah, he got nicked by something.
Warrior.
That's not bad. First fish from me on the black and blue Senko. Oh, he's hooked up. Not a bad one. What are you using? Same thing?
Same thing.
Dang, he choked it.
He gone.
So what's that? 3 for you?
3 for me.
2 for me.
You looking at little scissors again?
No, I'm on here for a week.
Got one? He's hooked up again. Nice. Another decent one. Same color.
Same color. Working on them today.
It's kind of funny because I like called Little Caesars multiple times and stuff. They're like, yeah, we'll call you, and they never did. And now I'm gonna work at Tim Hortons, which is literally connected to that.
Dude, that's a fish.
Yankee.
Did you see that?
GoPro one?
Yeah. Did you see that? It was hanging over top of the...
Branch. Geisty.
Yeah, over top of the branch.
Geisty.
That's another good one, dude. We're slaying these good ones.
We're just yanking them out of here.
Same color. It's like blue and orange speck.
They're biting pretty good down there.
Dude, like those all day.
Oh no. Yeah.
How many did you catch down there?
2. And they're probably
Yeah, this is my second or third. Ty's caught like 4. Fish on right there. Dang, he's fighting hard. Right there we go, boy. Dude, that's solid. That's the biggest fish of the day, right in the roof of the mouth. Come closer. Oh, dude. That's in there. Oh, no. Ty, I might need help. I think I hooked him in the eye. Right there. Dude, that thing's fat. On that same colored Senko, he choked it. Flipped it right off into that bush right there. He hit it the first time and then I missed it, and then he took it the second time. Bro, does its tail look weird to you? Look. That's a weird looking tail. It's like bent right there. He's a fat dude. I caught a decent one in that corner.
These allergies are lighting me up. Where's that water draining?
Oh, there's one.
Oh yeah. I'm the good luck charm, boy.
Feels like a decent one too. Get in here, boy. There's another good one on the black and blue. That's not a bad one right there.